Your freezer may be icing up due to several reasons, including storing moist or hot foods, a faulty door seal, or an incorrect temperature setting. To resolve these issues, it's essential to cool your food before placing it in the freezer, allowing it to reach a safe temperature to prevent excessive moisture. If you must store warm food, ensure it is sealed tightly to prevent moisture from escaping. Additionally, inspect the door seal for any tears or damage, and contact a technician if necessary to repair or replace it. It's also crucial to set the temperature correctly, which can be done by consulting your freezer's manual to locate the temperature dial and turning it clockwise to reach the recommended setting. Using a freezer thermometer can help monitor the temperature. By following these steps, you can fix your freezer's icing issue and maintain its optimal functioning.